Hey guys, Alicia here. I'm really excited to do this video because I want to stress the importance of why YouTube passive income is so awesome. Okay, so I broke my foot about 6.5 weeks ago, and then I got salmonella poisoning, and I did not make a video for over a month. So I wanted to do this video to show you exactly how things stayed somewhat consistent, although I was not making videos until the last couple of days. I did make because I'm back. So I wanted to go in here and do an income report for July and also August. Okay, so in the month of July, this is what I made right here, $627.66. That's what I made in July. Now, because I did not make a video for a little over a month, I doubt very seriously it's going to hit that, but still, I'm going to show you something pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to actually go into my YouTube studio here in just a minute, but I wanted to show you this right here. So this is my views over the last 30 days, and you can tell they have stayed pretty consistent. Now, this is always one day behind, okay? So let me go into my studio, and they only show you an estimated revenue amount, which cuts off on about the 10th of every month. So I will not be able to actually see exactly how much that's going to be. So in the last 28 days, I've gained 938 new subscribers, which really surprises me considering I did not make a video for over a month. Now right here it is showing, but keep in mind this is a day behind. My views are down and revenue is only down 30%. So if I go into the analytics here, and let me just tell you, these analytics are so amazing that I'm surprised YouTube does not charge to use it. Okay, so right now it says, looking good, your channel's view count was slightly higher than usual in the last 28 days. Keep in mind, I did not make a video. Okay, so if I click here on my estimated revenue, it's telling me that my estimated revenue is $555.26, but I still have a couple of days to go before the cutoff. And I'm going to do a follow-up video on this to show you how this can possibly increase. So this goes to tell me what my top earning videos are and how to start making planner pages, how to make SVG files for Etsy, how to make printables and instant downloads. So these are still some classics that are still getting lots of views. And I wanted to go back into the video I did. So this is in the last 48 hours. I've gotten 3,520, well now 4 views. It just went up. So this is real time. So I'm going to click here on audience. And once again, everything stayed pretty consistent, although I did not make a video. So this will tell me where my subscribers are coming from. So I have 52% coming from the United States, 6.6% coming from the United Kingdom, 4.7% India, 3.6% Canada, and I won't go through all of these, but I do have, this will tell me geography, and it will also tell me traffic source. So, and it tells me how people found my videos. So I'm getting views from YouTube search, suggested videos, and external. And also browse features and channel pages. Those are my top 5, and that's where you want to be. So that tells me right there that number 1, the views are coming from a YouTube search, which tells me that I'm not doing bad with the keywords. So let me go back. And I'm going to click on revenue. So once again, this is just saying that my estimated revenue is $555.26. But my playback CPM is $23, which is up 6%. I find this really amazing because this is why I am stressing passive income so much. Because if something happens and you get sick or no telling, then you can still rely on getting paid on videos that you did 2 months ago, 5 months ago, a year ago. So it's very important. So I'm going to update this video in a few days when this finalizes to show you what this amount finalized at. But I mean, I'm really happy because it really stayed pretty consistent, even though I did not make a video. So, you know, it's been climbing almost every single month. I'm sorry, $645.86 was my estimated revenue for July. June, 627. So I'll be getting, So these are just all estimates, but it's not finalized yet. So I really hope that this is motivational. I think that everyone is passionate about something or has something that they would like to share through experience. Why not share it on YouTube and make some income off of that? So I hope this video was helpful and a little bit motivational, and inspired you to start your own YouTube channel. So most of my viewers are from Etsy, design bundles, people who have any type of design business of their own. And that is my main target audience. So you want to have a niche that is something niched down. Now I do a unique approach to teaching design without having to use expensive programs, and also keeping it budget friendly and also user friendly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will update this again when it finalizes. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.